Candlestick from single footlock. Alright, so you're going to put a single footlock on, and then you're going to set yourself up like a back lean so that you're going to single leg roll. And if you're unfamiliar with these terms or skills, just go back to some of the previous videos. Alright, so she's going to single leg roll. And when you're done rolling about 2 or 3 times, what you're going to do is you're going to bend the knee. Instead of taking that fabric off the calf, you're just going to roll and bend. And then you're going to bring that other leg around to the behind and hook that toe. You can spin out of this as you'd like. Then you're going to lift and literally just unhook that leg and unroll. Hey Fly Tribe, I hope you enjoyed your tutorial, and if you would like to see anything specific or if you have questions, leave us a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and head over there now and ring that bell so that you get the newest notifications for our tutorials. Alright, see you soon!